Hi, beautiful souls. Namaste. Hope you all are doing well. Hope your loved ones are safe and very well. And I wish you a very happy month of May. And today we will be, of course, diving deep in the energies of month May 2021, and with regards to your health, profession, love life, health, and whatever the guidance will come through. Please do remember these are generalized readings, and to book a personal reading you can always contact me. All the information will be given in the description box below. With regular readings, we will be having this crystal scrying, and this time I'm trying to do something new. Few years back I had got this gift from one of my very dear friend, and these there are, like, if you can see, there are many messages, like love messages in these in this beautiful box. And this time I will be pulling for each group. I'm getting the guidance to pull two messages for you, so this is something in addition that we will be doing. So let us just check what our groups are. So group number one is the red jasper, or you can also choose from this card the dragonfly. Group number two will be the clear quartz and the firefly. Group number three will be fluoride crystal with the rabbit. So these are your groups. Please meditate. You can choose a crystal, or you can choose this animal images, whichever you feel drawn to. And yes, the timestamps are also in the description box. Many of you, I get the feedback that sometimes our videos are longer. Yes, they are longer, but I am giving the timestamps in the description box below, so after listening to the intro you can directly go into the introduction that is below the video, and just tap on the time that is given in front of that respective group. So you don't need to watch everything, just watch the video that like the group that you are drawn to most. Also, please consider to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you feel connected to. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you the other side. Hi, group number one, welcome. If you have got attracted to this beautiful red jasper or the dragonfly, here is your reading. So immediately after looking at the dragonfly, I am seeing that this month of May is bringing you some kind of clarity. Maybe since past few weeks, you were in some kind of confusion or some kind of clouded thoughts, or maybe you were not able to decide on something. The dragonfly that is showing up, that is giving you a very straight message that you are coming into the clarity, you are gaining some kind of clarity. It could be with regards to your relationships, it could be with regards to your work, business, job, whatever it is. Maybe you are getting two opportunities on the job front, but you are gaining the clarity for which one to go for, and that's really very nice. And also with red jasper, I feel you are making your base very very strong. I am just getting this base chakra strengthening of your root chakra, which is of course, like, laying down a strong foundation and coming more into stability. That kind of vibe I am getting. So major theme for you for the month of May is justice. So again, the justice card that appears, that is showing me some kind of clarity, like just breaking something which is black and white, which is yes or no. That kind of situation, which was maybe troubling you for some time, and now you are coming into this clarity. With ace of wands, you are starting something new, which is very very creative, which you always wanted to pursue. and there are new passionate beginnings and wants coming through. That is like everything coming into action. Many a times we are clear in our minds, and also we know how what we will be doing, but actions are delayed. But in this month of May, I just see that you are taking those actions and things are coming to the fruition. That's really nice. With Five of Wands, I just see that gaining this clarity, you are just letting go of this unnecessary competition, unnecessary conflict. Or also you might be experiencing, there could be some people who were trying to pull you down, and now you are completely, like, transcending ahead, and you are coming more into clarity, more into stability. With Two of Wands, I am just seeing that now you are ready to take that step ahead. All right. So with regards to your, especially with regards to your work and profession, whatever the conflicting energies were there, you are just leaving them behind. Or in this month of May, you will be able to take certain decision which will help you to come out of those stuck stagnant energies. That's really very nice. And this card, not for you. So whatever stuff that you were dealing, which was actually not for you, you are letting that go off completely. It could be relationship, it could be work related situation, it could be certain project, and literally you have applied this cancel, clear, delete formula for the stuff that was not serving for your highest and best. Use only positive words and thoughts as they are rapidly manifesting into form. Ask the angels to cancel the effects of past negative thinking. That is really very nice. And for few of you, I am getting very strong that something that you were not finding, now you are now you are literally, that is coming in front of you. So it could be something, some object that you might have lost, or maybe some few of you might have lost some connections with someone, and now those are coming back. That is something out of track that I'm listening. So that's really nice. And please do use this formula: cut, cancel, clear, delete. That's really very nice. So whatever, if you feel like you are getting drawn towards thinking the stuff that you really don't want, or you can just say in your mind, cancel, clear, delete, cancel, clear, delete, so that you are clearing off the unnecessary energy that is blocking you down. With regards to your health, the card that has shown up is solar plexus. If you see this image here and the image here, it is quite similar, right? So maybe you need to take care of your gut, of your digestion, of your digestive system. And also with solar plexus, I am getting the vibe that you are coming more into self power, self esteem, self worth. All that is completely emerging as you are letting go of the unwanted, and you are starting something brand new. Okay, so doesn't matter, it doesn't has to be necessary a brand new thing, but in your present stuff also, there could be like new opportunities that are coming through. And I am seeing like you are more into that self confident zone in this month of May. And yes, that is really very powerful. So with regards to your love life, I see this beautiful card, true love. This is the romance of lifetime. So many of you, you maybe you are meeting the one that you always wanted in your life, and it could be a deeper commitment, it could be uh, like someone whom you always wanted to be with romantically. And people who are already in the relationship, there are high chances that you step into a committed relationship. Maybe you are planning to get married or to get engaged. This is the thing that I'm getting through. Singles, you might meet that person. For few of you, I am listening that it could start with an amazing friendship which will slowly develop in a beautiful trust, and followed by a beautiful romance later on. This is the true love that I am seeing. For few of you, you already know this person, and this person may confront, or you may confront your feelings or their feelings. There is this beautiful exchange of feelings that might take place in this month of May. For few of you, I am listening, the wait is over. So it could be with regards to your business, work, relationship, love and romance, whatever. The wait is over. This is like echoing in my ears. So next, let's see if I can get anything in this crystal for you. This is really a fun thing. Like I get really excited when it comes to crystals. I'm seeing color green for you. So there is this vibe of heart opening, heart chakra opening. So maybe green color would be beneficial for you if you use more of greens. I'm seeing huge trees for you. So you are creating a very strong foundation, and this strong foundation will lead you to better growth, expansion, development and all that stuff. For I am seeing a baby. So maybe people who are expecting or who would like to have a baby this month could give you some positive news with regards to conceiving, with regards to having a baby. So congratulations in advance. Or maybe just you are thinking to take a chance. I'm for a few of you, I am seeing a drastic improvement in your health. So that's really very nice. Also with solar plexus card, I am just seeing that you are coming back with the bang. Maybe you might have tested positive with COVID stuff and now you are recovering. Maybe your family is recovering, and I am getting more kind of recovery vibe. So whatever the fear and chaos was around that all is being cleared. And I'm also seeing for few of you there are certain changes in your house that you are planning to make. So it could be like change in the interiors, shifting the furniture, or maybe you are planning to shift to some another residence. So this is coming through very very strong. So this is all about the crystal scrying that I have. And next I am excited about to pull like two messages for you. So let's see what it is. Okay, this two. So literally I have not seen these messages. Like, see. Okay, which one first? Yellow. It's always fun to surprise you with kisses. That's so cute. And the second card is you are my theme for a dream. So maybe you are daydreaming about someone is daydreaming about you, and there is this very cute kind of feeling that is being generated all around. So that's really nice. Okay, so this is all I have for group number 1. Hope you enjoyed this reading, and yes, I wish you an amazing month. Thank you. Hi, group number 2, people, those who have got attracted to this beautiful clear quartz or the firefly. So immediately what I see for you is with firefly, you are highly energetic in this month of May 2021, and there are so many ideas and so many impulsive ideas. Those are just coming to you that maybe it is difficult for you to handle your own energy, and it is a very like go kind of energy, but be careful. You need to calm down. You need to take it easy, take one step by step. And Firefly also tells me that maybe you are starting something and then stopping, starting something and then stopping. So instead of that, just like be in that rhythm, be in that flow. And this month is really it's going to be boom kind of situation for you. So let's see what other cards are telling us. Major theme of your month is the Judgment card. So with Judgment card, I get the feeling that you are closing something and you are starting a new chapter altogether. So also there are certain karmic closures, those are happening for you. So maybe you might experience older things are emerging back, maybe a few people are coming back to your life, or there are certain situations which needs that closure, so that they are surfacing again. So please do take it however it is resonating with you. And I am just seeing that you are coming more into your own power. King of Wands, which is highly passionate, extremely creative, extremely action oriented, fearless kind of energy. And now you are in the position to just welcome whatever is being showing up into your reality. I just feel that many of you have decided to take each day however it is coming instead of planning and putting more of energy into your future. You are pulling all your energy in the present moment. What is the best thing that I can do in the now? That is your attitude, is what I am seeing that, and that's a fantastic attitude to have. Many of you, I'm feeling that you are getting down into the family business. Ten of Pentacles is a very abundant, happy kind of energy. And maybe you are overtaking taking over that business, or maybe you are helping your family members who are already in that business, and you have amazing ideas to expand that particular business with so many ideas and with new kind of everything. And your family members or people whoever are involved, they will just welcome you with the open arms. With Page of Pentacles, maybe you are very new to that business, and like you have that childlike curiosity to understand everything, or to just put your input into that particular thing. But even though for few of you, even if you are planning to start something new, but I am just getting this very wise kind of energy that you have. So with this King of Wands, like you have that courage, you have that full power to take responsibility of whatever is happening. For few of you, I am listening that you are restarting some kind of business, or you are restarting that endeavor which has been stopped, or maybe you are getting the opportunity which is inviting you to start that thing again. So that is really very nice. There could have been some kind of chaos and conflict that you might have experienced in recent past, and I am seeing with the Judgment card that chaos and conflict is coming to an end. So yay, that's really very nice. And yes, it could have been very stressful for you, because you know that there could have been certain health issues that you might have gone through. Hormones card that shows me a lot of stressful situations. Stress, when we are not able to process it properly, our hormones and glands do get affected. And when hormones are affected, we start experiencing different physical issues in our reality. So but the good part is, like, all that is coming to an end. That is the karmic cycle that you are ending. And with Judgment card, I see with new health, like health wise coming into more kind of positive energy, more kind of higher vibrational energy. You are gaining that momentum towards more strength, towards more positivity, towards more higher vibration. So something there also could be a family celebration that is coming through for you. So it could be family get-togethers. Yes, we are not. Of course, we are maintaining the social distancing thing, but like celebration, it is the feeling, right? So it doesn't matter if physically people are meeting or not, but there is some good news in the family. There is some, very positive things those are happening, by which everybody in the family, in the relation, is benefiting. And that is the collective vibe of your family that I am seeing. So the guidance that is coming through is listen to your intuitive feelings. Your body is receiving accurate messages from the divine. So in this month of May, I see you are getting more and more like in the mood of being calm and composed. You are aligning with your own self. That is also the judgment card that is showing up. Whatever you have been through, that has helped you to elevate in your vibration. That was the path of your soul's journey, of your soul's expansion, and that is coming through very strong. In this month of May, you are highly intuitive. So consider like to start meditation or something like that, which will help you to to come more into the self alignment. With regards to your love life, heart to heart conversations, honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So this month of May, I see more of communication that is coming through between you and your partner. Maybe someone will confront, if you are single, and if you are already in a relationship, there could be like certain like maybe misunderstandings uh, which will get resolved, or also there could be like you will be able to spend some quality time with your partner. That's really very nice. So I am seeing all these amazing things for you, group number 2. So let us see what this crystal is showing, any images or any additional information if we get for group number 2. I am seeing an huge dragon inside this. So with dragon, I am just seeing an roller coaster ride for you, but the good part is that that will be an enjoyable, that will be a joyful roller coaster ride. So month of May will be super fast for you. It could be faster in actions. It could be like things are speeding up for you. That's really very nice. I'm seeing color pink, so consider using more of pink uh, into your day-to-day life. So it could be any pink color crystal or pink color clothing. For a few of you, I am seeing you are taking up a new job, new opportunity, new responsibilities, and I am seeing some kind of uh, rise in the pay, some kind of appraisal. For a few of you, I am seeing someone is entering into your life. It could be with regards to friendship, it could be with regards to business partnership, business opportunities, and of course, I am seeing male, especially I'm seeing a male personality that is entering into your life. So for a few of you, it could be your romantic partner, it could be uh, something with regards to your love life. And I'm seeing this as a new person, like many of you, you don't know this person yet. So please do take however it is resonating with your current situation. Okay, this is all I am getting in this crystal. Next, let's see what is the message that we will get. So, two messages for group number two. Okay, one is already here. Okay, both are blue. You are someone I can be goofy with. So, with heart to heart conversation and this card, you are someone I can get goofy with. And message number two. These are really cute messages. You are my theme for a dream. Yes. So group number one also got this card, this message. So you are someone's theme of a dream. So someone is daydreaming of you. You are daydreaming of someone. So yes, group number two, this is all I have for you for the month of May. Hope it resonated, and thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Hi, group number three. Hope you all are well. People, those who have chose this beautiful fluorite or the rabbit card. So with rabbit, immediately I see that this is the group who is very hyper in their energy, like you are restless and you know that kind of energy. But in this month of May, you are calming down, you are just contemplating, you are more into the mood to listen to others, to be in that calm and composed kind of energy. That's really very nice. So I feel most of you are good listeners, and with listening I feel you might get drawn to good music, or you love music. Maybe you are planning to learn some musical instrument, or maybe singing, something like that. So for few of you it could be. So the major theme for group number three is the moon card. So with this moon card, what I'm getting here is in the month of May, you will be highly intuitive. Maybe there are certain things which you will already know before they are appearing in the reality. Also, major major theme of you will spend most of the time into daydreaming, or in understanding your options. For few of you, I am listening, I am seeing that you are walking away from certain situations and certain people, also certain relationship. And with nine of cups, I am just seeing that you are receiving some very good news. There is this wish fulfillment that is coming through. So if you can just see this seven of cups, eight of cups and nine of cups, like this is the journey that you are first understanding the situation, then letting go of whatever is not serving you so that you can attract whatever is serving you. This is the journey that you are experiencing in this month of May, and things will move pretty quick for you than you have expected. So with this moon card, I am also getting the vibe that there are certain things which you might get to know, which were hidden from you since a very long time, because this card, the truth to be told. So I am just seeing that maybe you like through someone, or for few of you it could be through social media, that with regards to someone you are getting the truth that you are not knowing, and there is this more kind of wisdom, more kind of clarity that you are gaining on certain perspective. So truth be told, or since I have mentioned that you might get to know certain things, that doesn't mean like you go and search for things. These will unfold in front of you in a very organic way, so nothing to worry about. And next I am just seeing that crown chakra. So with being highly intuitive in this month, so with this crown chakra card that is showing up, I am just again the validation that you are becoming highly intuitive. about certain things. Pay attention to your ideas as they are messages of true divine guidance sent in answer to your prayers. So blue color is coming through very strong because there are like four cards which are showing up the blue color, and also the communication, truth be told, throat chakra is opening. For few of you, I am listening that you are leaving or closing off a job, and maybe you are planning to start and a business or freelancing or becoming self-employed. That kind of situation I am seeing. Willingly you are moving away from some thing, maybe your job which was not giving you that emotional fulfillment, and whatever you will be starting, that's going to give you like the that bliss kind of feeling, the wish fulfillment that you always wanted. And yes, with regards to your health card, I'm seeing this celebration. So of course, with nine of cups card, there is going to be a celebration. Please do let me know what is the reason of celebration. That's really very nice. So it could be maybe starting off new business, starting off being more independent. Maybe you are out of some situations or relationship which you were struggling, and you are out and you are now in a more liberated kind of energy. And with regards to your love life, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So maybe there are high chances when like you are moving away from this clouded uh, vibe. Like for example, if you were already in a relationship and you were not very clear about the situation, or you are getting mixed signals from the other person, maybe you are taking that trust in yourself to move away from certain person or from the situation. And then you are in a position where you are meeting this person, and also you are walking away from this particular situation because you are getting to know something that was aligned in the divine timings, in the synchronized episodes. So there is this, and also the celebration, like you are meeting that one is what I feel. Keep an open mind. So I'm just I'm getting a very, like, your energies are all here and there. So the guidance that is coming through is completely come into your alignment. Understand what your inner self is guiding you, understand what your heart is guiding you. So there is this dispersed energy that I am experiencing. So just pull your energy into your heart, take few deep breaths, that will really help you. So next, let's see what anything else that I need to tap in. Or few of you, I feel that you are confused with regards to something. So once you pull your energy into your heart, all this confusion will be cleared, and you will understand what you yourself truly want. All right, so let's see what crystal is guiding us. I am seeing a huge ocean, and with ocean and the waves, I see there is this deep emotional healing that is taking place for you. Because of course, if you are walking away from something emotionally, it will give you that ups and downs, and there is this healing that is taking place for you. For few of you, I am getting the vibe that your friendships are changing. At times, who with whom you were very much connected to, now these relationships are changing. Maybe you are not in contact, maybe you don't feel like contacting, or something like that. That's absolutely fine. That comes in the journey. That is the part and parcel of the journey. So with keep an open mind also, like you are creating the space for more friendships which you are aligned with yourself for your highest and best. I'm getting the vibe to change your diet, to change your nutrition, to add more of greens into your diet. So more of green vegetables, fresh fruits, something like that. Or maybe you are already you have started. I'm seeing the word declutter. So declutter your surrounding. Throw off any unwanted stuff that no longer serves you. Declutter your wallet. Declutter your bag. Also declutter your social media without any guilt. Just unfollow, delete, block people who are not giving you the good vibes. So declutter comes in all shapes and forms. So this is all this crystal is telling us. And next, let's see what is the love message for you. So these are the two. First I will open the pink. You always seem to know when things aren't going great. So as I mentioned, like you are getting the intuitions when you know like certain things are not going well with your person, with you, or in the relationship. So truth be told. And next is we have had ups and downs, but it's always been exhilarating. So yes, these are the messages. Please do take however it is resonating with you. And it also could be with regards to your friendships, because for this group more kind of friendship vibe that I am getting connected to. So this is all I have for you, group number 3. Hope this resonated. I wish you an amazing month ahead, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here.